Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Look, everybody, guys, let's take a look again on the gold market. In the gold, as you can see, price accurately follows our trading plan. So downward action hitting on the 1676 area has been completed. Now market stands in upward bounce. And as we said, it's first level where it's relatively safe to take the long position because it's agreement on the follow time frame chart, and at least minor pullback, minor respect of this level should happen. So if you're right now stands in long position, you could move your stops to the break-even. Second moment that you have to keep an eye on is actually possible grabber here, because the theoretical chance exists that market could reestablish upward action right from this point. So if grabber will appear, it tells us that market is ready for a possible upward action and could take it out of the stop. Because you know that what is going on right now on the gold market, on the crude oil market, it's just miserable collapse stand there. Let's take a look. I will show you on the daily chart. So today action is really the downsides. Crude oil is just dropping right back to the lows. You probably know what is going on with the WTI, and it was negative price yesterday. So the sellers have to pay to the buyers for they just take the oil out of storages, and so that's driving the oil market right now, which suggests that situation stands far from normal, and that could support the gold in the short term. The same story on the stock market. As we agreed in our weekly report, we should keep an eye on the earnings. So today it will be earnings on the Coca-Cola, Texas Instruments, Netflix, some other large companies also will report the earnings, and that could let us to identify the overall picture, how strong impact was on the major companies, major global international companies. That will just tell you whether it's matched to the market expectation of the fast recovery or not. So all this stuff could make impact on the gold as well. So that's why we're keeping an eye on the grabber here. It's possible, but at the same time, that's our major level to keep an eye on. So 1630 confidence support, and it's also the daily oversold here. So if we will get right these points, will be just perfect. It's harmonic swing, so everything just perfect will be. On the follow time frame chart, you could see it's according to our trading plan. Market has completed this minor A, B, C top XOP target 1675 pretty accurately, right at the fib level, shows reaction. So that's also, well, almost step by step as we described in our plan. As we said that we're watching for 1632, we said that probably some larger pattern should be formed that could lead market lower, and that could become the ABCD pattern. Now, indeed, you can see the upward action is started. It's only the question here is whether it will be ABCD or market will just start upward action right from this point. But anyway, currently we're watching for this upward continuation. Those of you who are taking the long position, now you could move stops to the break-even and just see what will happen. Potentially, on the hourly chart, take a look, we could get this ABCD pattern somewhere to the 17 even, 1718 area, this 618 resistance, and we could get the garter chip to sell. That could trigger another leg to the downside. So approximately this is our trading plan for a few sessions. If data and statistics will be not in favor of the gold, well, I'm not exclude the chance that market could start downward action earlier, because currently we still think that it's just response on the support, because we will still keep an eye on this possible ABCD pattern. So let's see how the situation will develop here.